Hey AllyCats! Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to AllyCat Beauty. My name is Ally, and I'm here just trying to figure out this whole beauty game with all of you. So, in today's video, we are going to be revealing what is inside my IPSY Glam Bag for the month of September. As you can see, I have matched my eyeshadow to the bag with the burgundy and the red and the yellow and the gold. But without further ado, let's get started, AllyCats! Alrighty, AllyCats, so as per usual, I've got my laptop right here with some notes on all of the products inside of the glam bag. Really quickly before we start, my boyfriend told me that I never said my name in my intros, so I did it today, and hopefully I keep remembering to do it in the future. But in case you didn't know, my name is Ally, hence AllyCat. Anyway, going back to what is inside the IPSY Glam Bag. Basically, IPSY is a monthly subscription. The base bag is $12 a month for 5 deluxe sample size products. I have been loving IPSY. I've had it for a little over a year now, I think, or almost a year. I think it's a really good way to be able to try multiple products from different brands, some of which you may have never known of. And the bag is always worth more than $12, so I think it's a really good deal. If you're just getting into makeup or just getting into skincare, it's a really good way to try out those products as well. And you don't have the commitment of buying a full-size product for like 30 bucks and having to use the whole thing if you don't like it. So that is why I really love my IPSY Glam Bag. But let's go ahead and open her up, shall we? So inside, there is always this, oh my gosh, I can't get it out. There is always this card with the theme on it. So this one's September 2020. It says good vibes. And then on the inside, recently it's been having tips, but this month I'm really happy because it has all of the products listed and a little bit about each product. I think that's amazing. And it is really helpful for like me doing videos and trying to tell you guys the full price sizes. So the first product that we're gonna go into in this bag is this Bboghi Cosmetics Brush Illuminator. So this is a highlighting brush. It comes in plastic. It is a full size, obviously, like it's a brush, and it costs $11.95, which is already the price of the bag. So like your bag's already worth what you're getting. About the product, it says you can use it for liquid, gel, cream, or powder. It's good for applying under eye concealer along with highlighting. The brush is vegan, cruelty-free, eco-friendly, and synthetic. And about the brand, so Bboghi means beautiful mess. And they produce high-quality, affordable products that are all cruelty-free. There is no discount code, but if you go onto their website, you can use the code VIP10 for 10% off your first order. I believe that's still going on. You'd have to check, but the last time I checked, it was going on. And then the next product we have is this Benefit Cosmetics, the POREfessional Hydrate Primer. It says the power of the POREfessional plus 12-hour hydration, minimize the look of pores and fine lines, instantly moisturize and refresh, prime to help makeup stay put. This is 3 milliliters of product, or 0.1 fluid ounces. The full size is 7.5 millimeters for the mini and 22 milliliters. Did I say millimeters the first time? I meant milliliters, but the full size is 22 milliliters. So the mini is $13 and the full size is $32. Yeah, so this one also says that the full size of the product is $32. So I calculated out, this is approximately $4.50 worth, but that's just my math. So about the product, it has hyaluronic acid to retain moisture and hydration, shea butter to smooth and moisturize, and it is oil-free, lightweight, and pore minimizing. Benefit Cosmetics it's kind of a gray area in terms of it being cruelty-free. They sell products in China, and China does require testing on animals, but Benefit themselves do not test on animals, so It's kind of a thin line. This isn't going to be a first impression because I have actually used this before. I got it in a sample, but I haven't used it like long term. I think I only used it like twice. It was pretty good when I used it, but I would like to try it out more, so I'm glad that I have it. And then the next product, which I'm kind of like not happy but also happy. It's this Pixi by Petra Endless Silky Eye Pen, which I actually got in my last bag, but this one is in the shade Bronze Beam and the other one that I got is in the shade Matte Mulberry. So I really do like the formula of this pencil, so I'm glad I have it in a different color now, but I mean, it would have been nice to try something new as well. But this has 1.2 grams of product. It is a full size and it is worth $12. It is long wear, waterproof, smudge proof, budge proof. It's made without mineral oils, no preservatives. It's paraben free, hypoallergenic. They use vitamin E and mica. It has the intensity of a liquid and the ease of a pencil. So the brand is cruelty free, and I couldn't find a discount code for this one either. I think they've stopped doing as many discount codes on IPSY for some reason. Hopefully they bring them back because I really liked those. Next, we are gonna go into this REALHER Confidence in My Glow highlighter. It has 2.5 grams or 0.09 ounces of product. It is certified cruelty-free, paraben-free, talc-free, and gluten-free. The full size of this product is 9 grams, which goes for $25. This is what it looks like. It's really marbled and very pretty. So it is a warm rose gold shade. It says it's streak free and it goes on like butter. It definitely felt super smooth when I just swatched it. It didn't feel dry at all, but it didn't feel wet either, if that makes any sense. The brand itself is paraben free, cruelty free, and intentionally inscribed with positive affirmations. You know, I saw that on their website and I don't know where this one is. I wonder if it's like inside here. No. I mean, I do like that there's like this tiny mirror in here, but there's no like positive affirmation written anywhere on that. Maybe it's just on the website that it has it. So that is that. I love highlight, so I'm really excited to have that. And then finally, this one I'm really excited for because this is the item that I chose. I think I'm going to keep the item that I choose for last all the time because A, that's what I've been doing, and B, it just makes it more fun for me. So this is the Pacifica Matte Blush and Bronzer. It is 100% vegan and cruelty-free. It comes with 0.28 ounces or 8 grams of product, which I'm pretty sure is about $10 worth. But it says here the full size is 14 grams, which is $18, but the full size is 4 pans. It includes these 2 shades, but it has 2 other shades as well, at least from what I found online. So this is about $10 worth. Yeah, so this is a deluxe sample. So is the highlighter, by the way. I think I mentioned it, but the highlighter is worth about $7. Like I said, I did choose this, and I chose it because I don't really have, well, A, I didn't have that many bronzers before. I think now I have 3 different ones, and I wanted to try more, but I've heard good things about this brand. I cannot open boxes today. Like, what the heck? This is absurd. This is like, what the heck? There we go. My gosh, that was so difficult. Okay, the box is ripped because I couldn't open it, but that's the box. Finally got the box open. This is what it looks like. It is huge. It looks like a full size, to be honest. Like, those pans are gigantic. This product is 100% vegan and cruelty free. It's long wearing, highly pigmented, and blends smoothly with a matte finish. It is made in the USA, and it is made with coconut, highlighting mica, and natural minerals, and it is made without talc, parabens, mineral oil, and phthalates. So a little bit about Pacifica. They are a brand that supports women, animals, and the planet. So it's a natural beauty brand. It is 100% vegan and cruelty-free, and they don't use any toxins. They use better packaging. They are paraben-free and clean beauty. So that is really awesome. I'm really excited about this. Like I said, this is the one that I chose. It's also nice to just have something, like when traveling, have something with a blush and a bronzer, so it's one less thing that you have to carry around. So yeah, in total, my bag is worth about $45.50, just based on my calculations, which is amazing. Almost 4 times of what the cost of the IPSY bag is, which is awesome. Again, another reason why I love IPSY so much. I will be having a review video coming soon. I apologize that this video is a little late. This took forever to get to me this month. Like, it took an extra week and a half longer than it normally does, and then I had grad school, so I couldn't film until now. So yeah, but here it is, better late than never. I will link all of the products down below. I'm super excited to try all of these. I will be trying them all in my review video, which will be a full face of makeup actually, because these are all makeup products. So yeah, I will link everything that I'm wearing on my face right now down in the description as well. And I think that's it. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and comment down below. And if you have any suggestions for me or any videos you would like to see in the future, go ahead and leave those down in the comments as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you want to get a notification every time I upload a new video, go ahead and ring that bell as well. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram at AllyCat Beauty. And remember, beauty radiates from within, so don't forget to be confident and be you. See you later, AllyCats!